Same
Okay,
here,
wait.
yeah.
Just a moment. Okay, I start.
Yes, so I would say in career yami iqale I was a security guard ADT. So nakhona shoot 2005 ngenza matric ezona, and then ngithela uqede wenza matric ngaya ngamuvela KZN with the intention ukuthi ngifuna ukuyenza i-license ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi cheap at that side. So mengifike eDurban bathi ayikuthi lana kumele ube nemali code rank ukuthi uthole license yabona, and kudingakala ngoma 2000 mfethu ukuthi umokole, and manje mina menginabo ma 1.5 bathi ayi ngale 1.5 ungaba yi-security yabona, bathi ayi fair ithi ngihambe ngiyenza ugrade C yabona, grade E D C at least ngizothola isipaninyana yabona, ngiyenza i-access control ibe sharp, yeah, plus vele nisira sure, and plus ngisearching plus ngisekezereni, so akuna stress. So on my second week lapha yana security so soqala strike khona Durban, and what is the first and the last ever huge strike that has
unemployment.
It's ama security, no, it's ama security nje. Manje thina we hire, manje kumele thina sithathe imisebenzi yalama security laba, and manje la ukuthi thina singamakundwane yabona, manje kumele basecurate la bendawena ukuthi njengoba yungofika esayithini kanje njengoba sijo bahleli kanje, kumele ubhale OB yakho, ubhale after 4 hours yakuthatha manje bakusecurate kwelinye isite ukuthi manje ungabonakali ukuthi wena uwo ubhala lapha. Manje this other guy basisa ePietermaritzburg University bathi yithi kumele sibhayile license access control. Manje mina ngimncane, manje ngidina ukuthi ngibona intanga zami zeklasini, mina kumele ngenze access control ngoba igundwane egedini. Ngaqala ukuyenyana lapho tamara uNkulunkulu ngazohlekisa ngabe ngathi hayi uNkulunkulu angizwisisi yobona uNkulunkulu ungazongenza kanje please. Okay fair, hey mara mina understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu yena plan lakhe yini, but I think maybe it will tie everything up. So this guy forced manje bathi shiftele ngijoba ngithi basirotate saya eku-retail, misifika lapho e-retail lo muntu ubona this character uyatshontsha, kanti lo muntu otshontshayo i-security lalapha yana vele itshontsha ngamasibongo vele, ufuna ukubona ukuthi ubani ozombopha, ngokuthi umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi yena kumele agade abantu abatshontshayo. Manje lo ozombopha kusho ukuthi loyo othatha umsebenzi wakhe. Manje this guy so ufuna ukuzenza isikora ubamba this security lana, and la security lana emsebenza nabantu balana bayamazi lo muntu ukuthi usitshontshela yilo baba lo nathi osiprotectayo wona ufuna ukuyibhira in a territory. So this guy, unfortunately, they killed him, and it was me and him who were working on the time. So I didn't understand why ngathi manje lento le iyangandela le ndaba ye-chaos and what ngathi uNkulunkulu mina please monge ngenza ukuthi manje mengibuyela back eJozi yabona, ngicela ukuthi ngibe security ukuthi ngicise nengisebenze nebank, mina ngenze lento leyo at least ngoba iNetbank nakhona ibank lamabhunu. So manje ngisho abantu baseGasa ngeke bangibone if ngisebenze nebank. So ngiyubona ukuthi that's how little I saw myself based on the circumstance and the situation lezi mina engikhule kuzo yabona, kanti little that I know ukuthi uNkulunkulu yena had a bigger purpose in life. Okay, hayi sharp mina ngifika ngithola vele umsebenzi eNotcliffe first day, bathi ngiqhadumise indlu zamabhunu lapha yana. Ngisho manje lapha yana ngisebenza ngaphandle, lamaguna ahambile ayo Australia. Manje mina lapha yana ngiyinja nje, bafaka i-toilet mina kumele ngiround lapha yana indlela endleleni ngiyashitha mara uNkulunkulu ngahlekisa ngani
Ngoma freestyle.
Wena boye hayi wena uNkulunkulu ngishayo ungenza kanje. Ngisho manje lapha yana bangibhesa ngo6 o'clock, washo 6 o'clock ebusuku bafaka omunye umuntu lethothi lena abangifake nayo yangihlakaniphela ekuseni yona yashaya icaca yamshiya lapha yana. Ngisho manje kwamele ukuthi manje ngishaye ngoma 36 hours angikhohliwe lapha esayithini, ngihleli ngiyinja anginakudla angikwazi ukuphuma ngishiya isaythi lidezithile. Ngiyazibuza mara kahle mara le situation uNkulunkulu lena ngifakala yona yini. Hayi bathi hayi bangitholile ngisaythi elingcono lapha yana esaythini lethu ngesikwazi ukufunda incwadi. Hayi ngilanga ngihlangana nencwadi lapha eDustbin ezaka grade 10 computer science. Intona zebulungu bafunda into ezigrand, bafunda incwadi lana iyabaseleyo ukuthi intona HTML. Manje mina ngale computer ke mara lento lena ngiyifila budget imali yami ngi-security ngathenga iNokia 6600. Le Nokia ngaqala ngacreate i-website, ngishaya i-code ngibona i-website yami ivela lapha yana iform ngithi what, and that time isikhathi sema-2008 where people were starting now to understand the data. Ukuthi data now has been consuming. I was now starting to plug myself there ngathi ithi ngibeke inyuku ngenze i-computer science e-Unis. Manje mengifika lapha yana e-Unis ayi manje imali nana bayifunayo expensive yama-course. hayi bye. And manje mina ekhaya ngibreadwinner manje ukuthi angenze nginamali ukuthi ngizolibele ngibhatalana nama-course manje I had to borrow books ahead so that manje I can finish this course mina kimi before I can actually get there. So manje ngithe mase ngishayele le course lena ngayiqeda mara the practical ngizigelezisa mina nabo-YouTube ngibhatanisa bayibona ukuthi man no le course lena bona bayi-structure so yabona mina mina ngifuna ukushaya idatha. So mina ngasiderize from lapho mina ngifuna ukushaya idatha ngoba ungabona idatha is like i-sim card ukwazi ukustorisha amanamba at you are able to iba useful ungabona idatha. So mina idatha ngabona is something that will never change ngathi I am positioning myself IT mara data. So from that I started learning databases. I started now becoming a data analyst and then I became a data engineer. Being a data engineer I was able now to create my pipelines with data. You move up from CSV we use it to this format or you consume from PDF you say now imagine it's something
so you expect
imagine nami size yakhaya imagine nabantu labakahle bana yabona ngifuna ukuthola information. So from lapho and then on manje from lapho I now started doing my POS machine. That's where I started Cash Connect. We were doing ama smart safe yabona. So ina smart safe la so inobona kuma bank mina ngiyimi ngibala namali. So if kuna any abnormalities that happen in a safe yimi ngimanipulate back end ukuthi ukwazi ukuthola imali yakho settlement. Manje ngithi ngiyabona manje ukuthi yabona easy kahle ukuthi imali ungayithola. So yabona ukuthi ungabishala be database umnandi shithi database la manje kumnotho ukhona. It's okay. No man, it's inqinisele la kuma database. So from lapho I started now with helping big corporates in terms of demographics, you understand? And now we bazi ukuthi manje bathi kanjani abantu abamnyama. Yathola for example these people bakuthola from scale. Yabona ngoba yazi ukuthi if ungumntana omnyama useseva city udinga impahla. Yathola udinga nama account ukuthi ube very relevant. Ukuthi ube relevant even in impahla ukuthi nawe ukwazi ukuba appealing in varsity. So they capitalize on that now ukuthi ubasebenza ama account ukuthi open an account impahla nobe impahla ukuthi open a credit score, from credit score bakufaka ama home loans, from home loans. So basically you never get in the so mina I was able to sit over my izinto lezi abasebenzayo against thina yabona. Manje mina I was very trained kubo in a sense ukuthi kwabona mina mengisa ngoma sabo in a way ngokuthi nebethi Mike sicela usicreatele i-possibility ukuthi abantu singabathola kanjani. Nithi ngibuza ukuthi what do you mean bathi angithi sino umuntu A lo muntu A uhola 3.5 yabona uspend imali yakhe eKFC esendaweni so siyabona ukuthi he has been with us for 6 years. So awubani abanye who are possibly can be like here and then we can create a product again around that. Am I making sense? So ngamanye amagama manje mina nama ubheka ngizobheka umunye umuntu now using algorithms now before AI. Mina ngisho AI before AI. So you will check i-profile lomunye umuntu uthi okay lo muntu lona ama profile leta abayifuna yileli using ama word laws in a database and then now we can merge the system ukuthi okay nalapha then now it means you can now saturate this is a market now. These are the people who really it's only you target a tailored campaigns. So I was that guy who helped the bank to do tailored campaigns and I now got to their CIA Central Intelligence Agents. So 2020 during COVID now I was sitting there as a CIA in the same bank as NetBank. Now preparing intelligence for the banks and the robots. You're told we were planning to but you wanted our bank facility to continue during the COVID. You know, about say I'm tellers and so I was in the leading team of now. Yeah. God yamkhumbuza ukuthi ntana yami yakhumbula wena mothenga lapha yana ufuna ukuba security yakhumbula wena ufuna uyenza manje uthini ngale ndaba Tamara God make understand but to me there was something that was propelling to say I needed more and God will put me on the top level now. Like imagine it I got money I got more I got the healing to me like go back go back to your people. Oh yes, you need to wena ngacela kudala mina ukuthi uzokala uzoseva mina ngitshela ukuthi ufuna ukuba engineer. So manje ubile engineer, ubile data scientist, you what more? I was like, oh God.
You have to go back.
Yeah. So now during COVID, we were working on a project of an paper. So paper is a kind of a intelligent robot that you and I could sense from your body language. When I got on a scar, but now, I was feeding the brain behind it to say. You would talk to it to say how much did I spend on airtime last month. Okay. So that's a verbal command. So, but the back end to it will be translated to the language that the machine has to understand. So that algorithm, that word closet database came in very handy now, because now I was able to feed the robots before AI or ChatGPT.
And it's a robot when you created it.
It's a robot that robot and it has to serve a client in the bank. Should the robot lady in the speed corner should manage even the intelligence of we call it optimization. Even the optimization of optimization with how fast should this thing run, how much airtime did it run. So that's a way. So there's a lot of workouts. It's a select where airtime. So where's the airtime data is actually sitting. So you can imagine you're asking a robot, but the robot has to fetch data in multiple streams. So I was the one who set up even the entire web data warehouse, to know which airtime ihlala kuphi, airtime ihlala kuphi, ama ATM ahlala kuphi, noma ngabe my phone, ama salary, HR.
Usebenza ne branch or
mina konke la ngisebenza khona futhi konke
ngikhuluma nge-Nedbank
ngisebenza head office 135. So not phela wonke ama-bank mina mengisebenza la mina mengifika khona ngidominate i-IT yakhona ngidominate mina ngisho ngini like last year I was working at MTN. MTN ngifike ngacreate ama-containers ami khona in their network, and I was running my own things in their own network that their own IT couldn't stop.
So at UNISA you ended up getting your qualification?
I didn't. No, of course. And besides that, course they have been because bengayibona ukuthi mekenza ukuthi and ukuthi mengibona ukuthi bafuna ukuthi ube technical yathola, and mengibona ukuthi ever and into mengidina kakhulu ukuthi lapha yonisa mkhona lezi ama Nigeria and yizo lezi mihlalo mengothi ngikhompyutha nama Nigeria ngikhompyutha nama Indians ngiyabona ukuthi lezi i-computer science kahle we explain depend kulezi ama India lezi zo ku YouTube and azwakala ukuzwakala and lezona yayazi manje where are you going to get a chance to shine? So ngayibona lapho ukuthi I'm not gonna copy anyone. The only thing mina ngizoyenza, I just want to be authentic and mina ngizohamba ngayo as it goes. Ngiyibona ukuthi it's a loop, but I will trust God to lead me through the way, and it has been an ever until today it has been that loop.
Manje hiyo indalo robotics, right?
Yes.
Manje isa-functiona till this day?
Of course. So
Manje, what are the plans going forward?
I like that question. Umama she's an MD and she's a COO.
Director.
Yeah, so I'm a founder in the robotics party. This is where it comes in again. So from 2002, that's when I decided, you know what, I've walked among all the giants. And I know where they are, and I saw what is resources wabahamba kanjani, ngiyazi ama-strategy wabo against yena utasebenza kanjani athi no ithi ngibuyele back ekhasi ngabona ukuthi ekhasi nasekhasi ilencosi lezi imele ezidlalela ebhuqwini ngabona lapho ukuthi amana ngazi ukuthi nginyike into ezingekho fair yabona, and manje ngisho i-creativity nakhona depend ukuthi kini umama wakho uhola malini so if kini ngihola grand shoot wena uzoba ne-access to just grass, so ngoba kini anina mali shoot wena kumele ukuthi uyokhuzwa ebhuqwini. Ngabona lapho ama-discrepancies ngathi man shoot ama-robot yabona ngoba mina ngisebenza ngama-robot and ngingazi ukuthi ayeza take over, and mina ngiyazi indaba ye-GDP before abantu, because we were doing a very extensive Tina, we were the one who were doing AI, literally we were cooking it like njengoba ngisho from back end to ama-API ukuthi into kumele zikhulume kanjani, so much missing. So angazi maybe more questions.
No, it's okay. Manje, did you end up getting support for Indalo Robotics?
That's a very good question. Okay, so for the past 3 years, Indalo Robotics, so when I call Gasa State Park, in June 16. So we were very strategic to do our youth festival on June 16.
This past June 16.
For the past 3 years.
Okay,
for the past 3 June 16.
It's been continuous.
Yes, it's been continuous. So that is our flagship event. And for the past 3 years, it has been growing. and we keep it to make it very great, very kanjalo. So the first festival that we had it eSnake Park ila ngikhulile khona from 92. So nakhona sabona ukuthi abantwana eSnake Park yes esifubeni sendawo. So sathazini impi manje is not about apartheid noma assess about ibhamu and what impi manje is technological, is about intelligence. So manje, how do we equip these kids? So that's when we said we no longer want to be talking about Abu Sarafina, we all know technology. We can all relate and see how it has evolved from Abu Nokia, the return, camera, really cool. You see, evolved exactly. So if we can turn this thing as a tech festival, that's when the robotic now started. So my festival is just to create an awareness to say there is something bigger than what meets the eye. And don't get discouraged. When I'm able to resource over manje no worries, I understand. So good job shooting for the past 3 years then. Instead, la ngithina mesifika khona maybe mangala ukuthi nithini robot what even bas overlook and then besibona ba present the idea because vele bayazi ukuthi everyone is only 24 but misijabulele lento leyo and then kuma event wethu msithe wozani because STEM, science, technology, engineering and maths siyazi ukuthi izinto ezinjalo manje ivela kancane kasi ifane ibhuqu ebholweni yethola. So sathazini thina we just gonna plant a seed and then the world is gonna catch up. So that has been
sure.
It's
okay.
Yeah.
So I think we actually have two stories. Indalo Robotics, which is very exciting.